Hello students, Mr. McDowell here, 6th grade, Mossville School. Just wanted to go through a little bit of information with you regarding Edgenuity and a couple of the tools that are available through the program that you might want to look at, because I found them very helpful when I was looking through the program, and it will save you a lot of stress in the long run. So let's go ahead and look at that. So pretend you've logged in and you are starting your activity, and your screen looks very similar to mine, where you have a video in the top right corner. You have your instructor, and you have the play pause down here, right? And you've kind of understand that hopefully by now. You've taken a look at that. To the right corner, you see, top right corner, you see a little addition sign. You click on that and a sidebar kind of pops out. You have some e-notes, which are kind of helpful. You can type in, as you're watching, you can type in some notes so that you can go back and refer to them later. You also have your glossary, which gives you the words to know for every lesson. Okay, teachers call them vocabulary words, right? Those important words that will help you grasp a bigger concept that you're trying to learn. All right, the tool I want to show you is the transcript. The transcript is very helpful because it is a transcript. You are going to be able to read everything that the instructor said and says during the lesson. You'll notice that the transcript are labeled, the transcript is labeled section 1, section 2, and so on. So those sections, so for instance, section 2 actually correspond to the sections down here on your little, I call it a square row, right? So here's section 1, here's section 2, section 3, and so on in your lesson. So that is pretty helpful, because if you think about it, if you're trying to remember something or to learn more about something that you know is covered in the lesson, you don't have to rewind, fast forward, and try to find exactly what it is you are looking for. You can actually look at the transcript and then skim through it and find the information there. And then if you want, you could go ahead back to that section and timestamp and find it. So it speeds you up a lot as far as finding information that was already covered. There's also a button called CC, also known as closed captions. If you select that, it will, as the instructor is teaching, it'll show you those words that he or she is using on the bottom. So if you're having trouble kind of following along auditorily, I guess, you can visually follow along by reading what the instructor is saying. So that might help you. A couple tools there for you to use to see if that will help you remember and retain the information better as you are at home learning. All right, that's all I have for you as of now. I hope you have a great learning experience. I hope this helped, and I'll see you online.